Hello everyone, welcome to Tutort Academy's YouTube channel. My name is Alankar and I have got for you a new case study on application of machine learning in manufacturing industry. Machine learning models can enhance nearly every aspect of a business. In manufacturing, the rise of IoT and the unprecedented amount of data it throws off has ushered in numerous opportunities to utilize machine learning. Spending on IoT platforms has risen from $745 billion annually in 2019 to over $1 trillion in 2022. Alongside this, there is a continuous need to reduce costs and grow the adoption of new-age industrial AI technologies. Let us have a look at the 4 areas where manufacturing companies are using these technologies. Number 1. Predictive maintenance. Machine learning enables predictive monitoring. With machine learning algorithms, it is possible to forecast equipment breakdowns before they occur and schedule timely maintenance. For example, an automotive plant implemented a predictive maintenance shutdown for a hydraulic press used in vehicle panel production. Detailed studies of the maintenance process showed that engineers were spending far too much time attending to breakdowns instead of allocating resources for planned maintenance. The machine learning solution enabled them to predict equipment failure with an accuracy of 92%, plan maintenance more effectively, and offer a great asset reliability and product quality. As a result, overall equipment maintenance efficiency increased from 65%, which is the industry average, to 85%. Number 2. Quality control. Artificial intelligence is also being adopted for product inspection and quality control. Machine learning based computer vision algorithms can learn from a set of samples to distinguish the good from the flawed. Or in other words, a solution can be developed that compares samples to typical cases of defects. For example, a manufacturer of agricultural product packing equipment introduced a high performance fruit sorting machine that uses computer vision and machine learning to classify fruit defects. The operator can teach the sorting platform to distinguish between the different types of defects and sort the fruit with sophisticated pack grades. This automated quality testing with machine learning increased the defect detection rate to 90%. Number 3. Logistics and inventory management. It is not only the assembly line and production plant where large strides have been made. The industry also requires an astonishing amount of logistics to power the entire production process. Employing machine learning based solutions to handle logistic related issues boost efficiency and slashes costs. According to Material Handling and Logistic magazine, the average US business loses $171,000 per year due to repetitive and time-wasting tasks like searching for order numbers, processing papers, and calculating the value of orders. In any manufacturing company, logistics and production-related paperwork requires thousands of man-hours annually. For example, Google applied a power consumption optimization algorithm in its data center cooling systems to reduce its electricity bill by up to 40%. It was done without any infrastructure modernization or modification. The big data flowing through the system used machine learning to perform dynamic logistic and inventory management. Number 4. Robotic powered manufacturing. Modern manufacturing, despite being largely automated, is still heavily reliant on human workforce. Machines perform tasks to perfection when they are in closed environment, but performing a precise job in more changing environment requires a human specialist. In the near future, a large part of manufacturing could be taken over by robots that are flexible enough to cooperate with humans and perform tasks in more human way. They will be able to adapt to both changing environment and object being produced. So these were the application of machine learning in the manufacturing industry. We hope that you have liked this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.